You're looking at a 2020 Tesla Model S Performance Ludicrous dual motor, all electric, with 49,000 miles. This car comes fully loaded, just about every option: ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, red calipers, front trunk storage. The car is in excellent shape, no accidents, no stories whatsoever. The number is right over here. The car is still under full factory warranty until 50,000 miles. And then it still has the 8-year unlimited powertrain on the battery and drive unit. Navigation, backup camera, parking sensors, heated seats, climate controls, adaptive suspension. Exact mileage is 48,995. Comes with base Autopilot, Ludicrous Plus mode, adaptive suspension, like I said, premium audio, home link for the garage door opener. This car has it all: heated steering wheel, heated seats, MCU 2, plays Netflix and all that stuff. Panoramic roof. Everything's working. Like I said, still under full factory warranty. Black on black, black exterior, black interior, premium interior as well. Might be a little noisy because there's some heavy machinery running next door. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.